in the country is a major concern for parents as schools reopen for the 2021 academic calendar. And while the government has done its part to ensure COVID-19 protocols are adhered to in schools across the country, parents say they remain cautiously optimistic on resumption of in-class learning. Meanwhile, needy but bright students in various parts of the country have benefited from education scholarships.
Today marked the beginning of a new academic calendar as some 15 million students across the country resume school under the revised calendar adjusted as a result of the COVID-19 disruption. But as classes resume, the reeling effects of the pandemic are bearing heavily on both schools, with the influx of students and on parents who now find it hard to pay fees.
Wazazi tunapitia shida mingi. Watu hiyo wanaenda shule dakika kidogo wamerudishwa, then kidogo mnaambiwa fee wakirudi walipe full. Sasa hiyo unaona pia job iko chini. So tuna face challenge kubwa. Gava pia inafaa iangalie. Watu hiyo wasifunge hizo 10 days hatu wanarudi home.
With the surge of COVID-19 infections in the country, Kiambu Governor James Nyoro called for strict adherence to the prevention protocols, more so now that the schools have reopened.
A surveillance team will be active, particularly when the schools are open, so that in case of any incidents, and we have had incidences in schools where we've had an outbreak of COVID-19, but we've been able to work very closely with the Department of Education and the national government, and also with our health department to contain the situation.
Nyoro spoke during the awarding of the secondary school education scholarships by Family Bank Foundation to 10 needy students in Kiambu County. A similar gesture was extended by Kenya Commercial Bank Foundation to students in Kericho County. The students also received 25,000 shillings each for shopping. In Kisii, parents decried inflation and the effects of the pandemic on their finances, making catering for their children education an uphill task.
Tumekuja hata kuchukua uniform, tumepata bei sio ile ya kawaida imepanda, tumeenda hata kuchukua bookshop, kuchukua vitabu kama rims pia zimepanda, sio bei ya kawaida.
At Mwihoko Ward in Roiro constituency, parents celebrated the opening of the national government-constructed Mutuya Primary School. It would decongest Mwihoko Primary School, the only public school in the entire ward that was as far as 8 kilometers away for some pupils.
Kwanza wao watoto wadogo walikuwa hawezi tembea kutoka hapa mpaka pale shule ile ingine, lakini kwa wakati huu wazazi tumefurahia. Tunasema Mungu ambariki na azidi kutuletea maendeleo mengine.
Caroline Kamar reporting for the Prime Edition.
All right.